Engelsk for danskere, lektion 1, sætninger 31-45, introduktion. Nej, jeg er single. No, I'm single. No, I'm single. No, I'm single. Hvordan har din familie det? How is your family? How is your family? How is your family? Min familie har det godt. My family is fine. My family is fine. My family is fine. Hvordan har din bror det? How's your brother? How's your brother? How's your brother? Han har det fint. He's doing fine. He's doing fine. He's doing fine. Hvordan har din søster det? How's your sister? How's your sister? How's your sister? Hun er okay. She's okay. She's okay. She's okay. Forstår du? Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? Ja, jeg forstår. Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. Nej, jeg forstår ikke. No, I don't understand. No, I don't understand. No, I don't understand. Rart at møde dig. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. I lige måde. Me too. Me too. Me too. Hvor er du fra? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Jeg er fra Danmark. I'm from Denmark. I'm from Denmark. I'm from Denmark. Vær venlig at skrive det ned. Write it down, please. Write it down, please. Write it down, please. No, I'm single. No, I'm single. How is your family? How is your family? My family is fine. My family is fine. How's your brother? How's your brother? He's doing fine. He's doing fine. How's your sister? How's your sister? She's okay. She's okay. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. No, I don't understand. No, I don't understand. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Me too. Me too. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Denmark. I'm from Denmark. Write it down, please. Write it down, please.